Hey, what is going on guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can remove background from any photo that you guys wanted to. And it's really simple and quick and easy as well. You guys don't need to install any kind of application from Play Store. So before we move to the next step, can you guys like this video? Let's aim for 20 likes. That would be really amazing. Alright, let's move to the next step. So very first thing is that you guys need to open up the browser. Alright, so open the browser and go to this website, which is called remove.bg, and you guys can upload the photo that you wanted to. So first thing, I want to upload this girl's photo. So this is the stock photo I have uploaded over here, and there we go. And well, you guys can see that it's really awesome. So now you guys can just simply download this. So let's try with the lion. Okay, that I want to try this with animal as well. So you guys can try with different stuff. So let's try with this lion. And uploading. And there we go. We are ready with lion. So it just removed completely. So downloading. Alright, so let's check out on the gallery. So now you guys can check yourself how much the background has been removed. And it's just perfectly working fine. So that's the beauty of that website, and you guys should be using that website because it's completely free. So yeah guys, that's how you guys can remove the background of any photo that you wanted to. Give it a shot guys. So check out this playlist for more awesome tutorials just like this, and also make sure to like this video. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.